Welcome to Alpha's e-learning classes. We have discussed about physical and chemical properties of aryl halides or haloarenes in session 15. Now we will discuss examples. That means aryl halides undergoes what type of reactions in session 16. So whatever organic compound is given, based on the structure, we can explain the molecule undergoes what type of reaction: electrophilic, nucleophilic, free radical, like this. Already we have discussed that aryl halides undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions, one type of reaction, that one. Here also same thing, aromatic halogen compounds undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Aromatic halogen compound means that those halogens are having aromatic ring. So did you remember that benzene properties? Benzene means aromatic compound that undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Here also same thing, due to the presence of aromatic ring, the ring also participate in electrophilic substitution reactions. Why? Because the group nothing but halogen has ortho-para directing nature. Here halogen compounds also reacts with metals, like normal halogen compounds reacts with the metals, sodium, magnesium, like this. Here also same thing, that aromatic halogen compounds reacts with the metals also in this case. Now we will discuss reactivity of halogens right now. Supposed to be fluorobenzene is given, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Given halogens are aromatic halogen compounds: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine means how to write the reactivity of these molecules towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Based on the group nature, we can explain that property. Group nature means given halogen: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So according to general properties, or if you take inductive effect, which is having greater electron withdrawing power, in this case fluorine compound, due to more electronegativity. Here also same thing, due to the presence of somewhat electron withdrawing power when compared to remaining halogens, aryl fluorides are more reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reactions when compared to that remaining aryl halogen compounds. So fluorine compound, chlorine compound, bromine compound, iodine compound, the reactivity order is: first one is greater than, second one is greater than, third one is greater than, fourth compound. This is the way to write that product. To write that product here: 1, 2, 3, 4. So now next one, supposed to be, if we take chlorine compound, here chlorine compound is given, chlorobenzene compound reacts with NaOH, aqueous NaOH is given. That means the molecule undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Incoming nucleophile is OH minus, outgoing nucleophile is Cl minus. But simple reaction is given, means So nothing but without substituent aromatic compound is given, that those nothing but aryl halides, vinyl halides do not involve in nucleophilic substitution reactions. Yesterday we have discussed that concept. How can you explain? Means based on the nature, if you take resonance, the single bond becomes to double bond. If you want to break the single bond, we can break easily when compared to double bond. Due to the presence of resonance, the single bond becomes to double bond in between the carbon and chlorine. So we required more amount of energy to break that bond. That means the reactivity is less. Wherever simple without substituent is given, the molecule reactivity is less here. So chlorobenzene compound will not undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions under normal conditions. Then how to increase the reactivity of given organic compound? Already we have discussed that one. Number of withdrawing groups increases, the aromatic ring reactivity increases towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. If we add to this ring withdrawing group means NO2 group, CN group, SO3H group like this, CCl3 group like this. If we add that electron withdrawing groups to that aromatic ring, the ring reactivity increases. Then that molecule participate in nucleophilic substitution reactions. Supposed to be, if we take chlorine here, chlorine molecule, again compound reacts with NaOH. At para position, NO2 group is given. Para-nitrochlorobenzene compound reactivity somewhat increases. Without NO2 group, then we have to energy 300 degrees centigrade temperature. 300 degrees centigrade temperature here. So if you apply the 300 degrees centigrade temperature, that molecule undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. The Cl minus is substituted by OH minus. The rate is mainly depends on first step. That one is slow step. In this reaction, the rate depends on concentration of substrate and OH minus. Wherever reaction depends on two atoms or molecules or ions is called what? Bimolecular reaction. So here chlorobenzene compound reacts with NaOH in the presence of 300 to 350 degrees centigrade temperature, form the phenol. The Cl minus is replaced by OH. Aromatic SN2 reaction. The process is generally called Dow's process. Here. This is a way to write that product. Without a temperature, we cannot get product because molecule stability more, reactivity less. So we have to add the other things, nothing but temperature, pressure, reagents, whatever reagent is given. Based on the reagent, we can write that product in this one. So simple one is given. Supposed to be another condition. If we take another condition, again chlorobenzene is given. If we add electron withdrawing group, NO2 group, which position? At para position. Again NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Temperature is 160 degrees centigrade temperature. Due to addition of NO2 group, when compared to without substituent, the compound reactivity increases. So what will happen here in this case? The Cl minus is replaced by OH. So due to the presence of some reactivity, we have to add less amount of temperature for this reaction. For this reaction here. This is a way to write that product here. Number of withdrawing groups. Withdrawing group is added to aromatic reactivity increases. If you add the more number of withdrawing groups, then that compound reactivity increases. For example, here chlorobenzene is given, which is having NO2 groups at ortho and para positions. Only para position is given. A number of withdrawing groups more here. Number of withdrawing groups more means the compound reactivity more. If you take weak base also no problem in this case. Then we have to add the less amount of temperature when compared to these reactions. Reason, number of withdrawing groups are more, reactivity more. Here Na2CO3 130 degrees centigrade temperature. 130 degrees centigrade temperature. Here aqueous medium is given. The chlorine minus is substituted by OH. OH here. Ortho para dinitrophenol or 2,4 1 2 3 4 2,4 dinitrophenol. 2,4 dinitrophenol is formed here. Again, if you add the one more withdrawing group to that one, Cl, which one? Here NO2, again NO2. Already ortho and para positions are occupied by NO2 groups. If you add NO2 group at again ortho position, how many withdrawing groups? 3 withdrawing groups. 3 withdrawing groups here. 3 withdrawing groups. 3 withdrawing groups means that compound reactivity is more when compared to remaining these compounds. When compared to these molecules, the substrate or reactant easily undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Due to the presence of 3 withdrawing groups, the total ring reactivity highly increases towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here. So if you take H2O and 60 degrees centigrade temperature also no problem in this case. So what will happen here? Which is nucleophile? OH minus. Cl minus is substituted by OH minus. Cl minus is substituted by OH minus. Again NO2 group here. Again NO2 group here. Again NO2 group. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is generally called what? Picric acid. Picric acid is formed in this case. This is the way to write that nucleophilic substitution reactions wherever aromatic compound is given. Here compound 1, here compound 2, here compound 3, here compound 4. So when compared to first compound, the fourth compound is having 3 withdrawing groups. Second one, here only 1 withdrawing group, here 2 withdrawing groups. Number of withdrawing groups more, due to that reason fourth compound reactivity is more. Then third compound. Third compound withdrawing groups 2. Third compound reactivity is more when compared to second compound. Second compound reactivity is more when compared to first compound. This is the way to write that reactivity order of the given aromatic halogen compounds. Next, reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. So here also same thing, the molecule undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions in the presence of potassium amide KNH2 or NaNH2. Liquid ammonia solution is given, which is nucleophile here NH2 minus. The Cl minus is substituted by NH2 minus. The reaction proceeds via benzene mechanism. Benzene mechanism. Here chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene. Here Cl. The compound reacts with KNH2 or ammonia in the presence of 200 degrees centigrade temperature. 200 degree centigrade temperature. 200 degree centigrade temperature means the Cl minus is substituted by NH2 minus. The Cl minus is substituted by NH2 minus. So which is nucleophile here? NH2 group. Aniline is formed here. Aniline is formed. Binuclear substitution reactions. Binuclear substitution reactions. This is the way to write that product wherever compound is given. So again chlorobenzene is given. The compound reacts with ammonia in the presence of copper oxide 200 degrees centigrade temperature will form the same product. So the Cl minus is substituted by NH2 minus. Remember, liquid ammonia solution is given. The reaction proceeds via benzene intermediate. Based on the double bond position, we can write that one. Double bond position, we can write that one here. Although para meta substituents are possible in this case. So based on the double bond benzene intermediate, we can write that product here. We can write that product. So here chlorobenzene compound reacts with copper cyanide in the presence of 200 degrees centigrade temperature. 200 degrees centigrade temperature. Here also same thing, the molecule undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, which is nucleophile here. Cn minus is nucleophile. Cn minus is nucleophile in this case. If you take a medium dimethyl sulfoxide or dimethyl formamide, doesn't matter in this case. Dimethyl sulfoxide or dimethyl formamide you can take. So Cl minus is substituted by Cn minus. Cyanobenzene is formed here. Cyanobenzene is formed. This is the way to write that simple nucleophilic substitution reactions from a given chlorobenzene compound. Here. Now this one is reaction with cyanide group. So reaction with sodium methoxy compound. Sodium methoxy compound here. Supposed to be NaNH2 is given, KNH2 is given. Which is nucleophile? NH2 minus. Supposed to be NaOH is given. NaOH is given. Which is nucleophile? OH minus is given. Here NaOCH3 is given. Which is nucleophile? OCH3 minus is nucleophile. OCH3 minus is nucleophile. Based on the nucleophile, we can write that product here. So now chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene compound reacts with sodium methoxide in the presence of copper salt. Nearly 200 degrees centigrade temperature. 200 degrees centigrade temperature. 200 degrees centigrade temperature or 473 Kelvin temperature. What will happen here? The Cl minus is substituted by OCH3 minus. So methoxybenzene is formed here. Phenyl methyl ether anisole compound is formed here. Aromatic ether is formed here. So this one also nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Now next one is reaction with potassium thiosulfur. Potassium thiosulfur. Potassium thiosulfur is given, which is nucleophile. SH minus is nucleophile. SH minus is nucleophile. How to write the product means same conditions, because aromatic binuclear reactions, all these are aromatic binuclear reactions. Binuclear reactions here. Again, chlorobenzene compound is given. Chlorobenzene compound is given. Chlorobenzene compound reacts with aqueous KOH. Again, high temperature is given. The chlorine is substituted by SH. Thiophenol is formed here. Thiophenol is formed here. Wherever oxygen is given is generally called phenol. Sulfur, due to the presence of sulfur, is called what? Thiophenol compound. Thiophenol compound here. This is the way to write that nucleophilic substituted product in this case. Product in this case. Now, reaction with magnesium. Reaction with magnesium. Like alkyl halides, aryl halides also reacts with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. Same conditions, we have to apply the less temperature, minus 10 degrees centigrade temperature. Alkyl halides or aryl halides reacts with magnesium in the presence of dry ether from the Grignard reagents. Wherever Rx is given from the RMGX. R is equal to ethyl, methyl, cyclopropyl or cyclic compound or aromatic compound or whatever compound is given, doesn't matter in this case. Now, our topic is haloarenes. So, now if we take one of the example, chlorobenzene. The chlorobenzene compound reacts with magnesium. Reacts with magnesium in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether. From the what? Phenyl magnesium chloride. Phenyl magnesium chloride. Phenyl magnesium chloride is called what? Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So RMGX is called what? Grignard reagent here. Grignard reagent, from the Grignard reagent. So different type of aryl halides is given. Which one easily form the Grignard reagent? Which one easily form the Grignard reagent means same thing. Alkyl iodides or aryl iodides are more reactive towards magnesium. Here also same thing. Aromatic iodides reactivity is more when compared to aromatic bromides. Aromatic bromides reactivity is more when compared to aromatic chlorides. After then aromatic fluorides. So by using that Grignard reagents we can prepare remaining compounds. But now our topic is reaction with magnesium form the what? Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent in this case. Now reaction with lithium. Reaction with lithium. So alkyl bromide compounds reacts with lithium in the presence of dry ether. In the presence of dry ether form the organolithium compounds. Organolithium compounds. Lithium compounds. Organolithium compounds form the organolithium compounds. Grignard reagents and organolithium concept, we have discussed that concept already in previous sessions. Now reduction reaction. Now reduction reaction. Reduction reaction means removal of halogens, chlorine or bromine or iodine, fluorine in the presence of reducing agents. For example, here chlorobenzene is given. chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene is given. Reduction reactions. Now, whatever halogen is given in the presence of reducing agents, in the presence of reducing reagent, the form the benzene compound. Form the benzene compound. For example, here lithium aluminum hydride is given, or nickel aluminum alloy in the presence of base medium is given, or sodium magnesium amalgam is given. Sodium magnesium amalgam is given. The molecule undergoes reduction from the benzene. The molecule undergoes reduction from the benzene here. So, in the presence of reducing agents, the molecule undergoes reduction from the benzene compounds. Nothing but 2 moles hydrogens if you take, then form the HCl. So, whenever alloys is given, nickel aluminum alloy is generally called what? Raney nickel. So, did you remember preparation of alkanes from alkenes? The first reaction is preparation of alkenes from alkenes by using the nickel or platinum or palladium. In the presence of that catalyst, alkenes convert into alkanes is generally called Sabatier-Sanderens reactions. Double bonds or triple bond, it convert into normal single bond. Here also same thing, there is no effect on the benzene ring but form the benzene in this case. So, this is the way to write that product here. So, purely nickel or other one is given, it convert into normal cycloalkanes. You remember, simple reaction is given, we have to write the benzene product. Benzene product here. Benzene product. Now, reaction with sodium. Reaction with sodium. Reaction with sodium. So, aliphatic halogen compounds is given. That aliphatic halogen compounds easily reacts with the sodium metal, then form the what here? Alkanes is called Wurtz reactions. 2 moles alkyl halogen compounds reacts with sodium in the presence of dry ether form the symmetric alkanes. Symmetric alkanes. Here also same thing. First one is if you take Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Normal alkyl halide is given. Normal alkyl halide. Aromatic alkyl halide is given. Aromatic alkyl halide is given. By the removal of 2 NaX form the alkyl benzene is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Simple alkyl halide is given is called Wurtz reactant. Aromatic halogen compound is called Fittig reactant. The combination form the product is called Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. One is simple alkyl halide, second one is aromatic alkyl halide is generally called what? Wurtz-Fittig reaction. That means for example here, methyl chloride is given. The compound reacts with chlorobenzene in the presence of sodium and dry ether. In the presence of sodium and dry ether, new carbon bond is formed in between the methyl group and phenyl group. So here benzene compound, again CH3, new CC bond is formed here. New CC bond, toluene or methyl benzene is formed here. Toluene or methyl benzene is formed here. This is a way to write that Wurtz-Fittig product. Wurtz-Fittig product. Wherever both are having aromatic nature, both are aryl halides is given, that those both aryl halides reacts with sodium in the presence of dry ether form the biphenyls. Both are aryl halides involved in this reaction is called only Fittig reaction. Only Fittig reaction. So here supposed to be chlorobenzene is given. Again chlorobenzene, 2 moles sodium. less 2 moles sodium. Here dry ether is given. Dry ether is given. By the removal of NaCl. By the removal of NaCl, then form the biphenyls plus 2 moles NaCl. 2 moles NaCl here. So both are aryl halides, means the reaction is generally called Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction. Only simple alkyl halides is given. Only simple alkyl halides is given. Simple alkyl halides is given is called what? Urju reaction. Urju reaction. Urju reaction. Combination is given is called what? Urju-Fittig reaction. Urju-Fittig reaction. This is the way to identify given reaction is Urju reaction or Urju-Fittig reaction, only Fittig reactions. So reactions with sodium metals. Ullmann reaction. 2 moles iodobenzene compound reacts with copper in the presence of temperature, form the biphenyls, is generally called Ullmann's reaction. Under normal conditions, chlorobenzene and bromobenzene do not involve in this reaction. If we add that electron withdrawing groups to chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, then only those involved in this reaction. So 2 moles iodobenzene. 2 moles iodobenzene. 2 moles iodobenzene involved in this reaction form the what? Biphenyls. Biphenyl. Biphenyl is formed in this case, and copper iodide. This reaction is generally called Ullmann reaction. Chlorobenzene and bromobenzene do not involve in reaction. Supposed to be 2 moles chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene, simple chlorobenzene is given. Again copper is given. No reaction. Now if we take electron withdrawing group, now reaction is possible. Now reaction is possible. So form the nitro substituted biphenyls. Nitro substituted biphenyls. Here NO2 group, here the NO2 group. Nitro substituted biphenyl compounds. This is the way to write that products. Wherever metals is given, wherever metal is given, we can write that product here. So once again, for example, here chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene is given. Here chlorobenzene is given. NO2 group is given. NO2 group is given. NO2 group is given. Here chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene, which is having methyl group. Here chlorobenzene is given. NO2 group is given. NO2 group is given. How to write the reactivity order? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of compounds 4. How many compounds are having electron withdrawing groups? 2. Second one and fourth one. The dose reactivity is more when compared to first one and third one. When compared to first one and third one. But which is more reactive? Fourth one. Reason? 2 withdrawing groups. That means fourth one is greater than, second one is greater than, first one is greater than third one. Due to the presence of donating group, the third compound reactivity is less here. This is the way to write that nucleophilic substitution reactions of aromatic halogen compounds are haloarenes. So we will discuss next one, electrophilic substitution reaction, in next session. Thank you.